In the previous lecture, we will discuss the first three dropshipping suppliers in USA. And in this lecture, we will discuss the remaining USA dropshipping suppliers. And the fourth one is wholesale 2B. Wholesale 2B can be regarded as an all-in-one solution to dropshipping, offering different dropshipping services. The software allows you to search for profitable products from their databases. Finding a suitable suppliers for their directory of suppliers is quite easy. Their suppliers are weighted by appropriate standards to ensure you have getting the best, but where the tool beats the competitions is the ability to integrate with many e-commerce platforms. To exact, wholesale 2B integrates with Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, eBay, Webley, EasyBid, and many other e-commerce solutions. Plus, if you want to sell through your own customer e-commerce store, you can do so using wholesale 2B. And the best part is that wholesale 2B builds you an e-commerce store at a low cost. As expected, wholesale 2B offer different pricing plans for its solution. The pricing plans for Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce stores cost $30 per month, while Amazon and eBay dropshipping stores comes at only $38 per month. However, you will not be charged any dropshipping fee aside from the payment processing fee and the monthly subscription based on your plan. Without a doubt, wholesale 2B has its shortcoming too. Their contract supply support is lacking. There is no phone number listed. You have to go through the support ticket system. Absolutely, you have still one of the best in the market because of their wide range of dropshipping solutions and flexible pricing plans. The fifth one is Sale.who. Sale.who prides itself on being the most widely used dropshipping suppliers in the United States. It has a powerful feature that enables the supply of a large inventory lists. The strong supply capability is enhanced by the millions of products inserted to its directory. Thus, there is nothing you will to find in the Sale.who directory. Sale.who was actually founded in New Zealand in the year 2005. But even since then, they have grown to be one of the best wholesale dropshipping directories in the entire world. The whole idea behind Sale.who was breathed by the co-founder Simon Slade, who himself was an online seller. He came about Sales.who after his furnishing was not being able to find suppliers to cater on their online business. Fast forward, they now boast of over 8K trusted dropshipping suppliers and they offer over 1.6 million products you can sell to your direct customers and compete with their alternatives. Best of all, Sale.who is a fantastic platform for beginners and it allows you to sort suppliers through minimum orders. With this, you can source from suppliers with even a zero minimum order. The sixth one, USA suppliers is US Direct. The dropshipping company claims that it has over 2 lakhs products, which it provides at wholesale price. Besides, the company prides itself on its ability to supply anywhere within the US in 3 to 5 days. The US Direct partner with 15 other dropshipping suppliers offer different product varieties like organic food, wholesale clothing and baby toys. Although the USA Direct is a separate entity. It is usually a part of the inventory source umbrella. When customizing the US direct products, you will be required to use the inventory source manager. You may also use the free inventory source integration if you want to access the US direct suppliers. The cost order is $2, but they have the option of buying a membership if you don't like to reduce the charges on the order fee. And the seventh one is national dropshippers. National Dropshipper is also another dropshipping software that has been in existence since the early 2000s. Founded in 2002 by Joy J. Corey, National Dropshipping have been one of the earliest dropshipping software. More like it is, National Dropshipping has a quickly old-fashioned interface that makes the site look outdated, and there has not been any major improvement on the platform. The site still uses old technology to connect suppliers to dropshippers. You have to take the orders on your store and then manually place the order on national dropshippers. Absolutely, this is the old and tearing way to doing dropshipping. And using national dropshipping restricts your business from scaling, because you will need to always manually place the orders whenever there is a change in the product price. National dropshippers may or may not alert you on send you a notice. However, National Dropshipper provides tracking details for you to forward to your customers in order for them to know the progress to their goods. So far, that is the most attractive feature of national dropshippers. Thank you very much.